Hello, my dear loving kids. Welcome to our English class. What did you learn in the previous class? We learned the letter R. Did you study? Yes. Today, in this class, we are going to learn next two letters. That is S and T. We can learn one by one. All of you, look here. This is capital letter S and this one is small letter S. Phonetic sound of S is S. S makes the sound S. Look children, this is capital letter T and this one is small letter T. Phonetic sound of T is T. T makes the sound T. Now I will show some words that begins with S and T. All of you take your text. My letter S. This is capital letter S and this one is small letter S. S makes the sound S. Look children, what is this? Strawberry. S, strawberry. S, strawberry. Do you like it? Yes. What is this? This is the picture of sun. 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 The heavenly body which gives us heat and light. What is this? Scissors. 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 We use it for different purpose. Example, cutting cloth, papers, etc. What is this? Spoon. 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 Do you have spoon? Yes, all of you have it. What is this? Stamp. 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 Piece of printed paper stuck on letters and legal documents to show postage. What is this? Stream. 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 Stream is a small river. What is this? Seesaw. 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 Do you like to play? Yes. What is this? String. 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 String is a thread. Shall we read once again, all of you? Say with me. S for strawberry. S for sun. S for scissors. S for spoon. S for stamp. S for stream. S for seesaw. S for string. All of you take next page, my letter T. This is capital letter T and this one is small letter T. T makes a sound T. T makes a sound T. What is this? Turtle. 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 A sea animal with a soft body protected by a hard shell like that of a tortoise. What is this? Tin. Tin. What is this? Torch. Torch. What is this? Tent. Tent. Tent is a portable shelter of cloth. What is this? Tap. 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 What is this? Ten. 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 What is this? Telephone. 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 Do you have like this telephone in your house? What is this? Tractor. tractor, T, tractor, a motor vehicle used for hauling heavy loads. Okay, now shall we read once again? All of you say with me. T for turtle, T for tin, T for torch, T for tent, T for tap, T for ten, T for telephone, T for tractor. Now I will teach you how to write the letter S and T. Okay? All of you look here first. Capital letter S. You start from here. Like this. Yes. 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 Now small letter S. Small letter S you write in the two line here like this, same like a capital letter. Yes. 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 Okay. Now capital letter T. You start from here, standing line, then like this, sleeping line. Capital letter T. Capital letter T. Touch these three lines. Capital letter T. Capital letter T. Now small letter T. You start from here like this. Here small curve like this. T. 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 Okay, all of you learn it.